System of strings, tugs on the tip of my wings, cut from cardboard and old magazines.